This is a 2008 Ford Ranger extended cab with 54,000 miles. Yes, 54,000 miles. Vehicle is in phenomenal condition. You'll be lucky to find a door ding or a scratch on this thing. Very clean. Tires are in great shape. No rust, rust-free vehicle. Sprayed in bed liner. The truck is running. As I stated, it needs nothing. Very, very clean truck. With 54,000 miles, basically everything you should expect. It is an XLT Super Jet. Two-tone, black and gray cloth. Perfect. No rips, stains, wear marks, tears. Aftermarket keyless entry, aftermarket alarm, aftermarket radio with Bluetooth. 54,000 miles. Cruise control. Second row jump seats. So this is a 2008 Ford Ranger XLT with 54,000 miles, rust-free, perfect truck for student, needs absolutely nothing, in absolutely wonderful, wonderful condition.